Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay fines in Crimson Desert. So if I come to my map here, you can see my map is red and you can see that here I've been fined 2 coins right now, and that is because I accidentally pickpocketed somebody and I want to basically remove the fine and pay it. Well, what I need to do is come to the church here in the east of Herdnand, so it's this building here, Church of Herdnand, which is just to the southeast of the castle just here. You want to come to this place here, and what you want to do is look for this guy just here, which is Alfred, and if we go ahead and go to his shop by pressing R on our keyboard, we have the option here to buy what's called the Writ of Absolution. If I do that there, you can see it's for the Duchy of Herdnand, pledges 2 coins, and if I go ahead and press buy and confirm, then that will then pay down the fine and effectively absolve me of the crime. And if I go to my map now, you can see I am no longer fined and I can go about my business as normal. So that is how you pay fines in Crimson Desert. Really hope this video helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.